What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Naruto Six Tails Cloak. Right, so he's got that white skull on his head and he's all red and stuff. So I'm on a landscape orientation paper, use a pencil and eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So he's not facing us straight on, it's like a little trickier than normal. He's kind of turned away from us a little bit, right? So he's looking sort of over like this way, or like off diagonal, right? So we have those two round eyes, okay? So center point of my page is about maybe here. So it just comes over to the left a little bit and we start his eyes over here. Because I want to have room to fit in his six tails. And we just start with a circle just there somewhere. And then we do another one here. Now you might notice that this circle is a little bit bigger than this one. That's because his head is in 3/4 pose, right? So when your head is in 3/4, it means you have one eye smaller than the other. So the head is kind of turned away, so we have an effective perspective, right? So this one's a little bit smaller, that's all. You could do them both the same size if you wanted, but if you're looking for that sort of accurate effect, I would say go for the smaller eye. Give it a go anyway, right? Then his mouth, it's kind of just open, glowing yellow. Yeah, so he kind of looks like a pumpkin, right? Without the triangle eyes. So we just go down the side there, and then we add this spiking mouth, right? Like that, okay? So then, right, so what we do, we'll just get his head in, right? We might have to raise some bits, but we'll just, right, so shape for his face starts around here, comes around underneath his jaw, right? This is like his chin, and then his jaw will come up like this way towards the ear somewhere, say up here. And then you see like some of his ear here, right? And then his hair starts here, so we just do those Naruto sort of spiking hairlines all the way around, okay? Now, we do have white skull on this, so we might have to raise some of these, but we'll just go for it and bring it all the way around, okay? Can we see ear lines? Not really, it's kind of just all that black sort of sketchy stuff. Here. Maybe one or two more. We'll go two more. One there. And then one here, right? So then he has ears. So big sort of flopsy ears, like a cute flopsy demon bunny. Like so, and then this goes like around to there somewhere, and then back up towards his head. Right. Sorry about the sniffles. It's probably really loud mic, sorry. Okay, so then we'll get his body in, and then we'll do those two jaws, right? We'll just get his body, just so we know. So like his neck is like going that way, and the back of the neck will come down from his jaw, let's say here, right? And then shoulder comes out and down, like that. It's just a flowing shoulder line, comes out and down that way, okay? And then his chest, in here. And then body comes down that way. And then his armpit on the other side, and bicep, and maybe like another chest sort of line there. We give him collarbones, so they just come up towards the shoulder, going that way. And going. So there's a jaw here. There's no, you can't see the collarbone on this side. Maybe like a little bit just out that side. But there's like this jaw comes down across this, so we'll just end up erasing it anyway. And then the inside of his arm just there. Okay, so now That's sort of fox skull that's sort of open, right? So it comes over his ear, right? So we'll just go curve it down this way, and we'll erase any lines that we shouldn't see after. So it comes out here, then we bring it down this way, and then it'll kind of come around here and go back up the other side of his face, up to there, okay? And then the inside section of it comes down this way, and then this will go down to there, and then we got like all teeth that come across here, right? So big fangs. Just these kind of zigzag lines, and the ones on the end are always like bigger, like so. And then there is sort of like all this strings keep attaching it to his face, right? So like comes down to here like that, then another one say here, and then another one here, and this one has like just little things like so. Line here, there, and then this comes down to there, right? And we'll erase the lines that we shouldn't see inside. Right, so then on the top of his head then, right, we got like these, we'll do the two big fangs, so there's like a big fang here, just on top of his head. It's the easier way to start, I think, up here, and then a slightly smaller one, because it's turned away from us, up here. Then this part goes down behind his head, here to there. And it has an extra line on the side, like so. And then we have a part that comes across the middle, so like an edge, so like a bumping line here on the teeth. And this comes down this way. This will go over his head now, so we'll have to erase some of these, and then the other side. And then it has like an extra sort of edge line to it here, coming down. Something like that, and then like a nostril or something here, and then we'll just erase what we shouldn't see inside here. Right, so roughly something like that. And then there's a shape, and I'm not sure if it's teeth or what, but kind of comes across here and goes back up into there. And we go up, down, like so, to there. And then we got a hole in the skull. There. Edge line. Edge line there. Roughly like so. Like that. Right. More bones, right? So we got like a spine coming down here, and then, oh yeah, the connectors. So there's like two little connectors. There. And then here as well. And I'll just erase the hairlines. Okay, so more bones. So spine coming down this way. Right, coming down like so. And then shoulder bone. It'll go kind of this way. Right, and then it has an extra line there. This comes out around like so. Down to there. And comes down off my page. And then we have another section just on the back, like that. Right, and then over this side. So we'll go around down like so. Down to there. Interior line. Another line on the outer edge. And then comes down like so. Down to there. And I think there's like a white spike. It's like another bone or something there. Is it level with the other one? Maybe we should see it. Like here somewhere. Like so. Okay, so what we're going to do now is the tails. Right, so, and as well, like, you know, he has, the way he's coloured, he's got all this sketchy black line. I'll do it after all together because it's quicker. But, you know, it's just all this vertical line all down. Loads of hatching. It would take a long time if you wanted to do it. You could just colour them red. I've seen it done that way as well. So I'll just do the line drawing anyway, and you can colour it whatever way you want. And I'll colour it at the end in Photoshop. That's the way I colour, because it's much more time effective. If I had time, I would colour the whole thing by hand. But hey, we only live once. Apparently. So there, and then there. So one tail, and then this will go up real big, and then come down behind his head to there, and then the next one will come out here, down, add a little spike every now and then, down to there, down to his shoulder. You should maybe see this line coming down in here actually, and then this one up to there, down, spike, down to there. Next one up. Where does this go? Down into like here. Yeah. And then the last one. Like so. That's it. That's how to draw Naruto, Six Tails Cloak. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.